in terms of court support is we go to people's trials and court proceedings who have been busted for cannabis in whatever way they've been busted, either growing or operating a dispensary or possessing medical cannabis. And we help them as they go through trial. We help them by showing up and watching the judges and the prosecutors to make sure that they are behaving themselves. You will never believe how much better they behave when we're watching them. We absolutely have to go and occupy the courts, and also it's a great way to learn about the cannabis laws and to support the patients as they're going through probably the roughest time of their lives. So it's a way to sit quietly and watch the prosecutors and the judges and support patients. It's a very, very important part of what we do. So please follow the court cases on our website. We have a defendant right here amongst us. He's going to be, his court proceedings are going to start in early January. He's right here. His name is Jason. And he really needs support as he's going through trial. It's very, very important. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here.
Woo!